Again, kadang tahu kota. Basketball room, kadang tahu kota. Kaju. Natang ini kai. Kadang minit dan kasih kota. 10 minutes. More goal. Bangkat hambun. Natang ini kilur. Akan netball. In netball, you cannot dribble. No dribbling. You cannot dribble. Pimla arabang bounce ke ball. You only pass. Either you pass or you shoot. Then 3-second rules. When you have the ball with you, ladap dapat ke ball ni, lapan bat dengan ke ball tang, line second. Line second kapan? Pass ball. Lani shoot. Lani pilih no shoot. So tu, kapan kau ada no dribbling. Then 3 seconds. You hold the ball only for 3 seconds. Not more than 3 seconds.